Hello friends and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making stuffed chicken with pepperoni and cheese. So this is a really quick and easy recipe, so let's get started on it. We're going to have 2 chicken breasts, which we are going to slice through the center, so that way we can actually have a flap to open up to stick our ingredients inside of. You can actually make more than 2 of these if you want at a time. I'm just doing 2 because that's all I need at this point when I'm cooking it. Once you get these completely sliced open, we're going to add the ingredients inside to give them their flavor and taste. So once you have this opened up, we're going to take a half a slice of provolone cheese, add it to the middle. Then we're going to take about a spoonful of marinara sauce and run it back and forth the inside. We want to kind of smear this around so that way it's over top of all the cheese. Then we're going to put some seasoning inside. We're going to do a pinch of chicken seasoning, a pinch of Italian, and a pinch of garlic powder. And we're going to make sure we put this back and forth over top all of the marinara. Then on top of that, we're going to add about 4 pieces of pepperoni. And then on top of that, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese, which what I did to make this stay together is I actually cut a piece of string cheese in half to put inside of there because it actually holds it together very well. And then once we're done, we're going to tuck this all inside and pull the top back over. And then on top of it, we're going to do another pinch of each of the seasonings just to give it flavor on the outside as well. And then once this is done, we're going to repeat the process with the other chicken breast. So once you have your second one open, just go ahead and put all the ingredients inside. Just stack them in however you like to. Usually it doesn't really matter on the order you put this in, however you want to. I always just try to keep the sauce a little bit on the lower part of putting it in because you want to make sure that it doesn't leak out all over the place. And if you put it in lower, as far as like just after you put in the provolone, it's a little bit easier to keep it in place. And then close that up as well. Now you can cook these 2 different ways when you're going to do this, because you can either do a regular oven or you can do an air fryer. If you're going to put these into a regular oven, you're going to put them in at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. But if you're doing an air fryer, you're going to cook these for 200 degrees for about 17 minutes in that. So you have your choice of which way you want to do it. It's totally okay to do it either way. I did mine in an air fryer and it actually turned out really wonderful. So we're going to take a pan, we're going to cover it with some aluminum foil, spray some cooking spray on it, and add these on top of it. And that way they're ready to pop in whichever way you choose to cook them. So these are ready for the oven now. You're just going to basically put them in, cook them, bring them back, and they're going to look something like this when they're done. And they have such an amazing taste, and this is a wonderful meal if you just pair it with some vegetables or whatever. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my cookbooks, which are available in bookstores worldwide. The first is about everyday cooking, the second is all about baking. Have a great day.